Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multi-Lift personal transfer lift system, shown for use in the back of a Nissan Murano to lift a wheelchair into the rear using a PIR mount. The Multi-Lift, as you may know, is designed around the unique concept that one lift does all of your lifting and transferring. So this same portable battery-operated Multi-Lift is able to be used in the home, on a portable base, get you in and out of your bathroom, hot tub, into the bedroom. It can be used in RVs, SUVs, ATVs, swimming pools, hot tubs, portable base, you name it. The basic idea is that this super portable unit can be brought into all of those different locations. So here we're showing the Multi-Lift for use with a PIR mount, which is a mount that is specifically made for the rear of this vehicle. And just to show you how that works, let me come into that area right there. You can see the great part about it is we really haven't modified the vehicle. It's supplied with a specific panel here, trim panel, so that when you take it out, you're not drilling any holes and you simply return the original piece of plastic right here. So let's show you how it works. We make a wide variety of docking systems. This one has got multiple straps, okay? So you're going to hook up these different straps, and there's lots of different options for lots of different wheelchairs. So whatever your chair is, we'll have a way of doing it. So we just hook up right here. We're going to swing into the vehicle. Once we get up and over, we're going to actually lock the unit down, tie it down so that if you get into an accident, you've still got a way to hold the unit in place. So now that I'm up and just about over the sill plate here, I'm going to go right over, get into place, come down, release the unit, pull it in a little tighter here, hook up the belt tie down, both sides, connect, and we're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much for watching our video. There are lots more videos in the detail videos in the notes down below, so you'll want to take a look in that notes field to see other videos that pertain to this product. You can find us at www.accessunlimited.com for contacting us. We're on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel has nearly 4,000 videos showing you all kinds of solutions for people with disabilities to go where they want to go and do what they like to do. If you'd like to give us a call the old-fashioned way, give us a call at 607, country code 1, 607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem. Saturdays and Sundays, no problem. 615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our product, and we hope you like what you see. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.